Hi, how are you doing today? I'm Dara. In this video today, I want to show you how to create your website from your hosting service provider. In my case today, I'm using one.com, which I actually recommend for anyone who wants to get started creating websites in a cost-effective way. Now, I've already created a website in the past, which is my website, Oladapo.com. I have some subdomains in there. But right now, I just assume I'm creating something afresh. No website created. So I'll click on see more from WordPress over here. And then I would select new installation. This new installation lets me create a new WordPress website. So I'll click on new installation. I can decide to put it in my main domain, which I actually don't want to. I want to put this in a subdomain. I can select the language. So I'll select subdomain, English, and click on next. Then from there, I'll just call this demo WP or just demo. Well, demo WP is just nice. And then I'll install. So this takes me through the process of installing the WordPress plugin or WordPress engine on my web server. This takes a couple of moments depending on the kind of host I'm using and my pricing plan, of course. And then I will put in an admin email address, which is my general email address. Here I'll put in my username and then my password to log in as an admin once the website is created. And then I click on next step. I'll just call this is a demo. That's the title of the website. I will show somewhere around here. And then this is cool. That's the tagline, something that will show on the other side of the website. So I will say that I've read the conditions. If I don't want this to show up on any search engine, Google, Bing, DuckDuckGo and all that, I'll check this box. But I think I don't want to because, of course, this is just a demo. So I'll check that and click on next step. Then I have some pre-made themes that I can actually use for this. I think I want to create something like an organizational website. In this case, if you want to do personal websites, it's basically still the same step. It's just how you design the stuff that will change. So for this, I think I might just use Move Easy. I like the way it looked. Where's that Move Easy? Yep. So I can decide to preview it if I want to see what it looks like. If I'm comfortable with it, I would select it and then go alongside with it. I think it contains the fonts I like to use and all that, even though it's similar to the other website I created the other day. I can preview it on mobile. I can see what it looks like and all that. If I want to create something for kids, this looks kiddie. I can check that out. So if I'm creating a school website, I can see that. Maybe today let me create something churchy. Yeah, church right here. Preview that. So I see all that nice templates, contact phone number, email address, physical address and all that, and I see all these nice templates, team members. This looks pretty. Of course, I'll change the font later on. I don't like this font. I think I'll select that one. But of course, you can select anything that defines your style. So I'll select that theme and then install the theme. I can skip the process if I actually don't want that and use the default WordPress theme, but I think I'll just go alongside with this straight off the bat. And the moment I create the website, I actually get an email that I've been added to a website and all that. As an admin, I can change my password if I want to, but right now I wouldn't want to do that. So this just go through the installation process, finalize everything, and I can check in, go back to the control panel in my hosting provider, or log in as an admin. Now, the process of this might differ based on your hosting service provider. For me, this is the simple, nice, easy process. And I can tell the browser to remember me. I can share my password if I want to, but of course, I wouldn't want to do that and show you that. So I'll log in. Okay, my hosting provider is kind of tricky in a way. For the very first time, it tells me my password is wrong, which sometimes happens. So what I do is I click on lost password and I just put in my username. So the process that happens here is that it sends me an email to reset my password. So to do that, I'll just open my email from my other computer over here and finish the process on that computer. But I'll just click login page over here and be ready to go. I'll use the same password basically, nothing so much different. I'll just put in my usual password and then log in with that same password over here. And then I'm in. It's just some crazy thing that happens with WordPress each hosting provider. Not sure why that is. Now, my website is ready to go. I can actually start seeing what is going on in there. I can decide to update my website. The sweet thing about my hosting provider is that this inbuilt caching system that lets me have responsive and more environmental friendly website. But I would skip all that now. I can view my website right now and see what it looks like. Of course, I will come back to customize this to fit my style, but this is just the general process of creating that website right here and now. So let's go back to the dashboard and we'll continue in the next video, which is coming right up.